Hey guys, welcome to February. So this is the month of love, and I like to think of it as the month of self-love. And I love how oils can work into that routine of really taking care of yourself on a deeper level. So I'm going to just go through the promos for the month of February 2019 for those that are ready to get started on their essential oil journey and for those that are current customers with us. So I like starting off with the free oil of the month. So for the month of February, in the Canadian and the US warehouse, we have Lavender Touch for free. I love Lavender Touch. It's probably one of my most used oils just because it's the gentlest oil as is, but then it is diluted down into this touch version. That's what the touch part of it refers to. So that's perfect for all skin types and sensitivities. So I have a new little baby and I love that I can use this touch oil on him to help calm and relax him. And then all the plethora of other things that lavender is great for, which we will learn about on the next page. So for getting this free oil, how it works, if you are a current customer, or for those that are wondering about getting the free oil of the month once they get started, it's as simple as opting into doTERRA's loyalty rewards program, which is an amazing program to get, your healthcare products each and every month. And for placing an amount of 125 points each month by the 15th of that month, you get the free oil of the month. So like I said, Lavender Touch is the free one this month. So make sure you get your order in by the 15th to make sure you score this one. So let's look at some ways to use this Lavender Touch. So like I said, it's perfectly diluted to work with all ages and skin types and sensitivity. So they've taken the guesswork out of the dilution part of oils and just made it super easy to use in a roller bottle like that. So it's great for relaxation. So this is when you could roll it on the bottoms of the feet or down the spine, or you can roll on the hands and take a deep breath in if you don't want it actually on the body. It's great for bug bites. So think about when we get into the spring and summer seasons, or if you live somewhere where it's warm all year round, you can apply to those pesky bug bites. So whether it's a mosquito, an ant bite, it will just help soothe that irritation. And then again, this is more for the spring and summer, but if you've gotten too much sun, roll the Lavender Touch. I point to my shoulders because that's normally where we get burnt. And when you have those pink shoulders, just roll Lavender Touch on it. It actually helps increase the skin's ability to repair. So I know when I have really tender shoulders from the sun, I will roll lavender on it, and the next day it is like brand new. And I love lavender for it. It almost feels like magical to me for this use. It works so well for that. You can roll over your throat chakra or on the heart to help with communication and honesty, and also for peace of mind and having truth in your heart. So lavender is the oil of communication. So right then and there, I think about always putting it on my throat. So if you're blocked or if you need to give a speech or anything like that, lavender is really great for that. I say go the F to sleep, especially for the kids. This is a great one to roll on their feet or on their spine to encourage sleep for them. So obviously we know lavender is like classic for sleep and all that. So this is one to use with your kiddos. It's also great for bumps, bruises, scrapes. So when you think about it for bug bites, it's kind of think of it too for that aspect of like falls and all that. I really do think it is your new first aid tool. So you could always have it on you, especially if you have little kids, because it's going to be great for all those times when they fall and bump themselves. And then this really is new mom heaven for you and your baby. And I'm going to show you at the end a link that I have to a document that shows you all the ways to use Lavender Touch if you're a new mom. And this is an area that I'm really targeted in right now because I am a new mom and I have a 3-month-old. So Lavender Touch has come in so handy for me. So I'm excited to get another one for free this month. Okay, so now that we've moved on from that, on top of a free oil each month, doTERRA also has an oil that they do a bit of a discount, or a product that they do a little bit of a discount for each month. So you get 10% off through the Canadian and US warehouse this month on Passion. So Passion is the inspiring blend. It smells spicy and sweet, and it really does make you think about that passionate setting. So obviously they have this one 10% off this month because it is the month of love. And when we think of love, we think of passion. So this is the oil that you can get a little bit of savings on this month. Okay, so with this oil, it is a blend. It comes in a 5 milliliter bottle. So you can use it to energize and uplift, or if you're feeling blue, you can diffuse it, or again, do a drop in the hands, rub them together and cup them in front of your nose and inhale. It's also great for low libido, so you can diffuse it or inhale from cupped hands, apply to the bottoms of the feet, or even on the lower abdomen. It also can help sharpen the memory, so apply 1 to 2 drops to the toes or diffuse. Sluggish digestion. This is actually a new one for me, so I'm always constantly learning about oils because there's so many uses, so there's no way of ever knowing them all and keeping it stored up here. So this is a new use for me when, or it's one that I wasn't aware of, that you could use this inspiring passion blend for. So you can dilute 1 to 2 drops and then apply it to the lower abdomen to help with your digestion. If you have cold or poor circulation, you can do 1 to 2 drops on the bottoms of the feet to stimulate the blood flow. And then you can use it on your wrist or neck as a perfume. So those are beautiful ways to use that oil this month. So that is really all that there is that I want to share with you for the month of February. Kept it short this month. But if you are ready to begin your oil journey, I would love to show you the promo that doTERRA has going on right now. So for placing a 100 PV order, and this can be accomplished with a few of the smaller kits, there is one that I really enjoy for a smaller enrollment option, and it's called the Aroma Touch Diffuse Kit. So if you were to purchase that, you could get red mandarin for free. I'm going to go into the benefits of these 2 oils because, again, you're getting these free oils for starting your journey, but I want to make sure you're using them and you know how to use them. So we're going to go into how to use them in the next few slides. And then for placing a 200 PV order, so this could be with a bigger kit like the Home Essentials kit, and this is one that I started with and I love it. I think it's one of the best enrollment options for just a bit of an increase in price. You will get red mandarin and serenity for free. So you'll get 2 for free with a 200 PV order and 1 for free with a 100 PV order. All right, so let's go over how to use red mandarin. So this is great for acne or oily skin. So you just apply on location wherever that is. There we go with the stomach issues again. So you can use 2 of these oils for stomach issues. You can apply to the chest, the back of the back or the forehead, or 1 to 2 drops under the tongue. You can also add it to your water to get the benefits of it that way. So you're going to flavor your water and get the perks of really detoxing and cleansing your body as well. Use it for ageless, beautiful skin. So add a drop to your skincare products, or you can use for circulation on the skin. So I think more of the leg areas where I would use it. Any infections you can apply to the area of concern because it is very cleansing. So, or you could take 1 to 2 drops in an empty veggie capsule. If you're feeling nervous or there's hyperactivity going on, a drop under the nose or on the bottoms of the feet. And then for fatigue, a drop in the hands or inhale, and then inhale it from cupped hands or in the diffuser to really help combat the fatigue and get you more uplifted. So those are some ways to use red mandarin. Next, serenity. Serenity is the restful blend, and it is a beautiful blend if lavender is not working. So if you're using the lavender touch and it's not helping soothe and relax you, then serenity is a great option because it's a blend of oils that work on a deeper level to support that relaxation effect. So again, sleep issues, you can apply to the bottoms of the feet before calling it a night or diffuse it. It's beautiful in the diffuser. It's really great for stress and anxiety too. So diffusing it or breathe it in. Or I love making this combo with Balance, which is the grounding blend, and cedarwood, which is very rooting too. And that can be your new chill pill. So I like to blend that into a roller bottle with fractionated coconut oil, and then I will roll it on the neck. I will roll it on the spine, on the bottoms of the feet, or on the wrist. And it just really helps, again, ground and relax you. It's great for a restless baby. So this is where you can diffuse it, apply to the bottoms of the feet or the spine to calm down. You can dilute down first to make sure that there's no skin sensitivities with their little bodies. It's great for mood and tension too. So apply to the back of the neck, the shoulders, or inhale from cupped hands or diffuse. If you're seeing a theme here, there's multiple ways to use your oil. So if one doesn't identify with you, then definitely choose another. And I love that about oils. Or you can add a few drops to your next Epsom salt bath. It's so beautiful in the bath and a great way to unwind after a long day. So the best way to score this promo, like I said, is if you're going for the 100 PV option, which would get you red mandarin for free, getting the Aroma Touch Diffuse Kit or the Family Essentials Kit. And then the red mandarin will be auto added to your order. And if you're going for the 200 PV or more promo, then the best way to do that is the Home Essentials or the Natural Solutions Kit. And then your red mandarin and your serenity will be auto added to your order for free. So those are some options. And again, you can look at those by heading to my website, and I will pop the link below this video, and I'll just show you on a future slide as well. So for joining our oily tribe, our oil or glow, our oily tribe, whatever you want to call it, here is what I have for you. So a welcome pack of goodies, and these are mailed out to you from me, and then I enter you into an oil email series to just help you get using your oils. So it's designed to gear you into using them as your oils arrive at your front door. You'll have exclusive access to our Glow Tribe PDFs, our ebooks, and other educational info. And I've just created a new team page, a team hub, where you can go to just have everything at once, so it's not like remembering which email to go to get this document and all that. There's also giveaway action for using your oils. This kind of links to LRP, which is the program that you can get started into and get the free oil each month. Then there's a beautiful business opportunity. This is only if you're feeling called to do this, to share this lifestyle with others. You know, you're feeling vibrant in your body and loving what the oils can do, and you just can't help but share with others. But that's a completely optional step. So you can totally just get started as a customer only and not do anything or have anything to do with the business. Only about 10% of us in doTERRA are actually doing it as a business. And then you'll finally have the key tools to rock your natural and holistic health. And really, that's what it's about. Just feeling more empowered in your health for you. And if you have a family, being empowered with them is what it's all about. And I just wanted to make note of this. So I am always hard into creation mode and figuring out how I can really show up for you guys to really help you on your oil journey. So I have just created a guide called the Glow Starter Guide, and it really is a tool to help you get using and loving your oils from the beginning. So it's going to show you all the perks to using your oils, ways to really integrate, especially the top 10 oils, and then just some other supplemental information to just show you how oils can take care of about 80% of your health concerns, if not more. So this is a guide that I poured my heart into, and I cannot wait for you guys to get it as well. So when you're ready to get started, like I said, you can head to the link below this video, or if you want to simply go to your browser and type in this bit.ly here, it's bit.ly/glow journey, and that will redirect you to my website where you can learn more about what it is I do, how I can support you on this journey, and take a look around at all the other stuff I have on my website as well. And remember how I mentioned that lavender touch? Well, I also have a guide that I put together when I was pregnant and ready to deliver my sweet babe. So if you're a new mom or a mama to be, I just wanted to ask if this would, or I wanted to show you if this would serve you. And this is where Lavender Touch will come in. And if you download the guide, you will see all the beautiful ways to use it. But I just wanted to show you that this guide is for you if you want to feel empowered throughout your whole pregnancy. If you want a holistic breakdown trimester by trimester, so I kind of distill how to use oils in those different trimesters, and you want a better way to heal your body and help with your baby. So that's what this guide is all about. Again, it's something I poured my heart into as well, because I just love providing you with the tools for stuff that I've already been through, and I can vouch for it. And, I really do believe in all the things in this guide, and I really hope that it will help the moms that are in pregnancy or ready to go into labor, or they've just had their baby. This guide is definitely for you. So I have also popped the link for that below this video, or again, if you want to type it into your browser, it's bit.ly/glow preg guide. So that's what I have for you this month. So I want to say, for those that are brand new here, I hope to see you on the oily side. It is such a beautiful journey to, take with you and support you on. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I hope this video came in handy, and I hope you all have a great month of love, whether it's loving on others or loving on yourself. You deserve both. So please have a great month, and we will see you back here for promos in the beginning of March. Have a great one.